Alright, welcome to my train room. There's one of my favorite signs, and it's appropriate. And one of my other favorite signs, and you have to forgive the clutter, this is a disaster waiting to happen. I actually think it already happened without me knowing it. But anyhow, there's one of my signs that I got from OC&T. We rode that on Father's Day. And then prior to that, my sister had gotten me this little sign, which I think is hilarious. But what I brought you here for, and still forgive the clutter, but we have started our overhead storage compartment construction. It's going to be 19 inches deep, suspended from the floor joist for the first floor with 2x3s, and then a 2x3 running across the bottom face for the frame. And I'm only bringing it down to here. I had originally thought of taking it all the way down to the corner, but I need this more accessible because of my return loops being there. Ultimately, when I get it built, it's going to go down to those shelves there. Okay, see you later.